Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I would like to show you how to remove watermark in Inshot app. Let's get to it. Open your Inshot app. Then before we remove the watermark, we have to import our video by clicking on this video option. And then choose the video that you would like to edit and wait for a moment. I'll go with this video. Just click on the video and you have to click on this check mark after you choose your video. And if you want to remove this watermark right here, just click on the watermark and then you have to choose free remove. And you have to make sure that you have a good internet connection so you can remove the watermark freely. And alright guys, that's how we can remove the watermark in Inshot app. That's so easy, right? I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, leave your comments and also subscribe this channel. See you on the next video. Bye!